Hi, I'm Ryan Surwa with Voyager RV, and I'd like to tell you why our 2020 Lance 2465 is easily one of the most exciting used travel trailers we have on the lot right now at Voyager RV. So I chose the Lance 2465 for just a couple simple reasons. One, it is easily one of the best built travel trailers on the market, incredibly well insulated, pretty much like nothing else out there, and the uniqueness of the floor plan. This trailer would be absolutely perfect for a couple, or maybe a couple that want to bring the grandkids along, as you have a second bed here in the dinette, and while that's being used as a bed, you still have a great area to sit and lounge in lots of natural light. One of the best features I find in this unit is the fact that the bedroom is about 1/3 its total length. It is enormous. You have got a lot of space to walk around, great storage, huge king bed, big windows, and at the foot of the bed you have a TV that can come up out of the counter. You even have a second air conditioner right in the bedroom. The cabinetry is made out of light ply. It's the kind of material you find in private jets. Very light, very strong, and the way the cabinets, the countertops are joined to the walls, every inch of this is just flawless. There's no gaps. Lance is built to such exacting standards. I think you would really love this trailer, and I do urge you to come see it and tour it with me. So up front here in the Lance, you'll see you have a power tongue jack. You also have 3 20-pound propane tanks, makes them easy to swap out as opposed to 2 heavy 30-pound tanks, and a massive front windshield, as well as dual pane windows in this trailer. You'll see both of the slide outs here have factory installed slide toppers. That's going to help protect the trailer from the elements, as well as protect the bulb seals around the slide outs. You've got a backup camera. You have got a receiver for a bike rack. You've got the strongest ladder in the industry going up to a PVC roof, which will have a luggage rack on it, as well as a solar panel. You've got a torsion axle system, which is going to make for a very smooth haul. You also have 2 separate power awnings, both with wind sensors. So it's pretty clear that there is a lot of value built into it. Right now, we're asking about $66,000. New, this trailer is about $115,000, $120,000 with these options. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the Lance 2465. Again, this is a 2020 model. Please visit voyagerrv.ca to view our entire inventory of used units, but also arrange to make an appointment to come view this one, as you'll find it's in excellent condition and just a very, very good find. Thank you.